Hi folks, Mark here, Views from Mark, and in this very brief unboxing video I'm taking a look at the N.Peal 007 cashmere collection, in particular a sweater that was inspired by one that Timothy Dalton wore in The Living Daylights. So this is the 007 Fisherman's rib round neck sweater in dark charcoal grey. Now I went down to Covent Garden in London about 2 to 3 weeks before the UK went into lockdown, originally going to have a look for the No Time to Die sweater. Unfortunately they didn't have that in stock. I saw this one though, tried it on, loved it, so decided to purchase it. As you can see, when you leave the store, they give you one of these Cashmere Collection 007 books. This details all the items from the collection that they've got currently. It's well worth having a look on the website. If you haven't looked at the collection, there's some really nice pieces in there. As you can see, all the 007 collection come in these fantastic presentation boxes. It also keeps the sweater neat and tidy when you leave the store, and it's a really sturdy box that they give you to take it away in. Once I break the seal, the 007 seal, and open up this presentation box, you'll see that on the inside the sweater is wrapped in this 007 branded tissue paper. Again, there's a couple more of the 007 stickers on there. I decided just to slide the sweater out from the tissue instead. As you can see, it's a fantastic colour for this dark charcoal grey. It's super soft. It's 50% cashmere and 50% superfine merino wool. I went for a size medium, which fits me perfectly. I'm just really pleased with it. It's very soft, very warm, very comfortable, and it's a great addition to my wardrobe. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do subscribe for notifications on future videos. Hit the bell button, and if you like, please do give a thumbs up and share. Thanks very much.